up, everybody? I'm out here at GP Car Care, 111 East Church Street, Sangerville, Georgia. Behind me, I got to do this GMC Sierra, and he just want to basically wash inside out, clean up, vacuum, Finna let y'all look at it now. This is the way it look. Nice color on it. Inside. Steering wheel got all this stuff on it. On the rest, they clean it off. Dash got dust and stuff on it. Back ain't too bad. Alright, truck. He just, like I said, wanted to basically wipe down and, did do a good job on it. Don't have that many bugs in the front of it. C71 4x4. Nice cover on the back of it. Gonna get started on it. See y'all soon. Over here in the white zone. Doing these mats. Washing up running the truck. Get all over under the fender wall. That fender wall got carpet on there now, so you have to make sure all that good and clean. Spray a little shampoo on it. Side coming off. A lot of dirt. All clean. What's up, everybody? Just got to finish the truck, and it's look awesome. Like I said, I'm at here at GP Car Care, 111 East Church Street, Santville, Georgia. And feel let you see how the truck look now after cleaning it up. Truck clean. Start with the tire first. All clean. All up inside the fender wall with the carpet at. Now walk all over the truck first, then I go on the inside. On the front. Like I said, windshield clean. Go back to the front. No bugs. Look inside. Clean. Go right here to the door panel. Clean. Back. Like I said, it's clean. Turn out real good. Like I said, you want your truck to look like this, call it GP Car Care, 111 East Church Street, Santville, Georgia. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.